create a gentle cinematic folk pop song based on the following licks. Instrument: soft acoustic guitar, green and small, not knowing it would give its all. Beneath a branch a bird lay still, wounded, trembling, cold with chill. And the ant gave all it had to give. A tiny ant began its daily flight, carrying a leaf so green and small, not knowing it would give its all. Beneath a branch a bird lay still, wounded, trembling, cold with chill. And the ant gave all it had to give, a drop of honey, a will to live. No words were said, no thanks were sought, but kindness stayed in every thought. Days went by, the sky turned gray, the rains came down, washed home away. The ant held tight to twig in fear, the end was close, the flood was near. Then wings returned through pouring skies, the starling came with watchful eyes. It lifted friends from drowning ground, one by one, till all were found. Final act of love came full around, in silence deep where hearts are found. The storm passed by, the forest knew, a kindness given came back true.
In the quiet of the forest, a little ant went on its daily journey. Under a fallen branch, it found a starling thream, hurt, alone, and unable to fly. The ant carried something precious, just enough for itself.
Without a word, it gave everything it had.
Flickered back into the starling's eyes.
The ant never asked for thanks.
A storm rolled in Kai, fast and fierce. The flood came haver, and the ant's home, it clung to hope, barely. But help came a rend from an old friend.
It remembered and returned.